Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to go take a shower and I saw something on Instagram and it had me in, like, that is the inspiration for this video today. It had me in tears. It's almost too funny that you feel so bad for people. It is, oh my goodness. Like, at this point I feel like an American accent just to say this will be ideal, because y'all got a president that no one wants. All right, so I saw something on Instagram today and I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. And basically what was said was, Trump suggests injecting disinfectant in the lungs to kill coronavirus. Don't do that, experts say.
Right, and then I see the disinfectant where it knocks it out in a minute, 1 minute. And is there a way we can do something like that by injection inside or almost a cleaning? Because you see it gets on the lungs and it does a tremendous number in the lungs. So it'd be interesting to check that. So that you're going to have to use medical doctors with. But it sounds interesting to me. The new headline is, Trump asks people to go outside. That's dangerous. Here we go. Same old group. You ready? I hope people enjoy the sun. And if it has an impact, that's great. I'm just hearing this, not really for the first time. I mean, there's been a rumor that, you know, a very nice rumor that you go outside in the sun or you have heat and it does have an effect on other viruses. But now we get it from one of the great laboratories of the world, I have to say. It covers a lot more territory than just this. This is probably an easy thing, relatively speaking, for you. I would like you to speak to...
First of all, is this y'all's president? Ew. That man don't know nothing. Like, at this point he's gone beyond like unprofessional. Now that's just, for lack of better words, stupid, you know. It's just, imagine if this is what the leader of a nation is saying, is capable of saying, then what does that say about the whole nation? That basically paved the way for the video that we're gonna do today, because y'all's president is, whew, thank God I'm not American. I'm so glad. But you know what? Being Nigerian isn't so different either, because, wow. Well, our president doesn't come up to say something stupid, so I guess we're slightly better. But yeah, today's video I'm gonna be telling you a few stupid things that you people should not do online or ever say, period. A few stupid things that been going on that need to stop. A few stupid things that been going on that just need to go, period. Like, they just need to go. Like, look, take them out the door. But I'm gonna go take a shower, probably put on makeup, and then I'll come right back to you guys. All right, see y'all later. So guys, what happened was I ended up taking too long to do my makeup, and now it's night. I no longer have daylight, but I'm still gonna film this video for you guys. And the next thing but you know what, my skin is glowing though. So before, I used to have acne on my neck and on my back and my arm, but I no longer have acne there. I'm so happy. I'm actually super excited. A lot of challenges on Instagram need to be cuts, like need to be cut, because a lot of people be doing like bare dumb shit. Okay, so there's this challenge on Instagram that goes, let me show it to you guys. It's called the pillow challenge. Like, some of them can be really cute, but then some of them are just like, if my camera moves around a lot, that's because I'm trying to face the light. Okay, all right, I think I'm gonna place it on something first. I don't know what is there to place it on. All right, 1 minute, guys. Okay, okay, we're good, yeah, we're good. All right. So my thing is on a dummy head. If I take it off right now, it'll be so hard to balance. Like, it'll be so hard to keep it in the right spot, so I'm not gonna take it off. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use my phone to show you guys back what I'm doing all over here. So this is what this looks like. So this is what I'm doing right now. Yeah, like, I just have it placed on this mannequin or a dummy head, whatever. And that's what this is. All right, cool. I don't know, this video is actually gonna be all over the place because I don't know, I just felt like filming that nothing serious. So I didn't even bother fixing my hair up because like I'm gonna go to bed. It's like 10:10, so it's actually very close to midnight. I don't think that it was right to do anything to my hair. Like I just wanted to do my makeup so I look flawless on camera. It's just this whole quarantine thing is just, I need to be fit. Like I started out okay, you know, I was taking courses on Udemy, I was working out, I had a whole yoga mat. But you know what happened? Yeah, what happened was I rolled up the yoga mat and dumped it somewhere. So that was the end of my fitness journey. That's it. This quarantine season, we just really need to get ourselves together. But yeah, so let's just talk about this quarantine, what we don't need to do, what's going on. Let's talk about the challenges on Instagram that people be doing these days that they need to stop. They really need to stop, okay? they need to cut it. Let's do it. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about it. I was talking about the pillow challenge. Yeah, okay. Pillow challenge. Let me show you guys a bunch of them. I'll probably put it in the screen, or I'll probably use it to cover my face, but I know that you guys are coming for my face, but why not? Some of them can be really cute, but then some of them can be really like, it's just like, nah. Like I'm gonna show you some really cute ones, and then I'll show you some of them that are just really like, you guys need to stop. Like, don't do this anymore. Like, just don't. I tried to learn the savage dance, didn't work out at all. You know what, I'm gonna try to do it, show you guys. Like I know the basics though, like I know you do something like this and then you do like something like that. I'm not even gonna try to learn the, what's the other one, it's Megan Thee Stallion, Captain Hook. I'm not even gonna try that one. I'm not gonna try learning that dance. It's not for me. We also tried to do the Don't Rush challenge, Bop Daddy, and there's a new challenge going around, how God created people, and I don't agree with most of them, but you know what, that will be a whole other video. One challenge that needs to go, and it's like jet, is the wife versus the side chick challenge. It needs to be like gone. It needs to head out, okay? It needs to just head out, because that challenge just doesn't make sense to me. Because it's like the whole, like I get where the challenge stems from, but like the whole challenge in itself is just something that I personally feel like the world has changed, you know. Like wives these days, they're now embracing their sexiness, they're embodying their sexiness, you know. And that's why I don't agree with that challenge. But you know what, people are doing lots and lots of challenges for fun these days instead of doing it to represent something actual, you know. So it's just for fun anyway. Ooh, my boobs look nice. Hey, actually I'm gonna push it up a bit. Ooh, baby. I'm so glad that my boobs look nice. I'm so glad that my boobs don't fall, because if they did, I'm gonna be so mad. But you know what, okay, a little bit. Oh my goodness, I've never filmed while standing up. Yeah, there's one more thing that I hate that we shouldn't be doing. Absolutely not. Absolutely, just cut it. Cut it. Is when you know, like people like me, of course, like I'm on this table, like I wouldn't talk about anything that doesn't apply to me. People who cannot sing doing the climax challenge. Are you trying to die? Do you want us to kill you for having no talent? Actually, that was a bad representation of a British accent, so yeah, I'm gonna stop. But public service announcement. If you don't know how to sing, please stop doing the climax challenge. Okay? Thank you very much. God bless you. All right, moving on. That's enough of this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up down below. If you want to hear me ramble more, of course, subscribe to my channel. Of course, like, I mean. What are you gonna be doing this quarantine? Like, just subscribe, watch the videos, you know, like, just do what you got to do, law. Like, subscribe to the channel, share it to your friends, and then follow me on Instagram, Twitter. I don't use Twitter very often, so you don't have to follow me there, honestly. But you know what? It's fine, it's whatever. I feel like my next video, I should tell my house party friends to do a voiceover for my thing. I want to see how that goes. I saw this on Nella Rose and Ani Drea. They did a video where their friends did, but I want to make it different because I don't want people that I know, because I feel like they won't be brutal enough, you know. They will just try to make jokes out of it, but I want it to be like brutally honest, like what the is she doing with her face, like, excuse my French, you know. I want like that brutally honest thing. So I'm just gonna consult some people off of house party. I feel like that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I feel like this video, I don't know what to name this video because I'm really just rambling. I've been rambling the whole time, but that's okay too. That's okay, you know. The point of this video was just come to have a conversation with you guys, maybe ramble a bit, maybe do bye guys, see you in my next video.